Good morning, dear children. Let's start today. Chapter 2, Maps are Guides. Children, we have read about globe in previous classes. Globes can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study about only a specific part of the earth as our country, state or town, we use map. A map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. Maps give us more specific and detailed information as compared to a globe. You can see different type of maps are here: political map, physical map. Okay, different type of maps you can see in this picture. So we will read about it. Now come on to the types of maps. There are three types of maps: physical map, political map, and thematic map. Now come on children, physical map. You can see in this picture physical map of India. It shows the earth features like landscape, mountains, river, valley, deserts, area. Different colors are showing different places. You can see in this picture of map. So this is called physical divisions. Now come on, next is political map, which shows us different countries of the world and states with their boundaries. So in this map you can see, children, you can see different states of India with different color. Different colors are showing different states. Okay, so political map shows the geographic boundaries such as country. It shows roads, cities, and major water states was. Now next is thematic map. Thematic maps which focus on specific information such as rainfall, vegetation, etc. Suitable titles are given on the basis of information provided in this map. So you can, it is a particular thing connected with a specific geographic area such as temperature, variation, rainfall, distribution. In this map we will study India annual rainfall. You can see it is showing with different color. So you can see children, annual rainfall in centimeter. Dark blue color showing above 400 centimeter rainfall of places, and sky blue 201 to 400 centimeter. Sea green is showing 101 to 200 centimeter rainfall in this area, and next color is showing 21 to 100, and yellow color is showing below 20 centimeter rainfall in this area. So different colors showing different rainfall in different places. So this is. Now come on children, next topic is language of maps. Maps are very handy to carry and they help in learning about the earth. Every map has colors, directions, signs, symbols and scale. This is called the language of the map. So we have read, we have seen now political map, thematic map. So color is called the language of the map. Sign, directions, symbols and scale used in map. Now next topic is direction. You know about direction. There are four types of direction we have read many times. They are north, south, east and west. The countries all over the world use same system of direction. All maps follow the same system of showing directions. The top direction is the north, south is in the direction opposite to the north, to our right is the east and to our left is the west. Now come on, next topic is scale. It is not possible to show the size of each country and city of the earth on the map, so we use scale. So we can say that a distance of 100 km is represented by a distance of 1 centimeter. It means 1 centimeter is showing 100 km on map. If we take 2 centimeter to 2 centimeter showing 200 km, 3 centimeters showing 300 km on map. So children, next topic is conventional signs or symbols. Many types of signs and symbols are used to show various kinds of information on a map. For example, a metal road is showing by two straight lines. You can see signs and symbols of map. A capital city is marked on a map by a small circle enclosed within a bigger circle. Now next is colors. Different colors are used to show various landforms on a map. Maps usually follow the same pattern of colors. Water bodies like oceans, rivers, seas, and lakes are shown in the blue color on a map. Green color depicts plains or lowlands. Mountains and highlands are shown in brown, and plateaus are marked in yellow. So you can see, children, in map different colors showing different. So children, we have completed this chapter. I hope you understand well. Next video.